The dream of living 1,000 years may be closer than we think. Some futurists believe that within the next 25 years, human lifespans could stretch far beyond anything we've ever imagined. For centuries, aging was seen as an unavoidable fate. Cells weaken, DNA breaks down, and organs lose their ability to repair themselves. But new research shows that aging isn't just destiny, it's a biological process we may be able to slow down, alter, or even reverse. Today, scientists are already testing treatments that repair cellular damage, extend organ health, and even replace failing tissues with lab-grown alternatives. And in the 2030s, the real game-changer could arrive: nanobots. Tiny robots designed to patrol our bloodstream, repairing cells, destroying cancer, clearing blocked arteries, and supercharging organ performance. Alongside AI and genetic engineering, these breakthroughs could eliminate inherited diseases, preserve memory, balance hormones, and even create a digital brain layer, allowing thought-based access to the internet. Unlike traditional medicine, which treats symptoms after they appear, this new approach aims to strike at the root causes of aging itself. Imagine living not just longer, but healthier, sharper, and stronger well into extended lifespans. But if humans could live for centuries, what would it mean for family, work, and culture? How would society adapt if death could be delayed indefinitely? These possibilities raise profound ethical questions. Where do we draw the line between being human and becoming something more? Still, the vision of living up to 1,000 years sparks both hope and wonder. As futurist Ray Kurzweil reminds us, the singularity is nearer. The real question is, are we ready to embrace a future where humans and machines merge to redefine life itself?